That is your vanity in your primary bathroom. This bathroom does have a frameless shower door. Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood framed home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. My name is Tim. Today we have an open house tour located here in the northern part of the villages. In the village of Santo Domingo, we do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood framed home. List price $329,900. This home does have a new roof that was put on in 2018, and the HVAC system was replaced in the year 2015. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. I will pan to the left. That is facing south, friends. And I will pan to the right. That is facing north. You can see this home is on a very quiet street. This home is in very good condition. First thing I notice is the very deep setback on this home. It has a concrete driveway that's in good condition. It is a wood framed home with a 2-car garage. Very mature landscaping with a stone landscaping as well. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Ruel, at Remax Foxfire Realty, or you can contact Gary Martin. He is the showing agent today. As I walk up to this home, I do notice the concrete driveway is in very good condition. This home has very nice landscaping. It has a front seating area as well. Very large front seating area. This home, it does have a storm door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the foyer does have luxury vinyl plank floors. The living and dining area is carpeted. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. This home is very clean and very neutral. You do see the kitchen off to the left. That has granite countertops and white cabinets. This home is a split bedroom design. You do see a guest quarter off to the right. You do see the primary bedroom off to the left there as well. I will start by going into the guest quarter. The hallway does have carpet. This guest bedroom is located in the front of the home. It does have carpeting. Very nice, neutrally decorated home. This bedroom is facing east. It has a walk-in closet as well with raised panel doors. Carpet in the closet as well. This home is neat and clean. Even the entry doors are raised panel. Here we have the guest bathroom. You do see luxury vinyl plank floor. It does have white cabinets as well. That is a solid surface countertop. I believe it is granite. There is your tub and shower surround. That is a tile shower surround as well. Very clean home. Here's another view of your vanity as well. Large mirror. I will video the linen closet as well. This linen closet does have bifold raised panel doors. Lots of shelves. Off to the back of the home and facing west is your lanai with sliding glass doors. Has concrete floors that are painted, very good condition. I do see wainscoting as well on that wall. It also has a sunshade covering the windows. Very nice. Lots of windows in this lanai area. Let's go to the back of the yard and take a look at what this looks like. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. The list price is $329,900. That's a better look at your roof. That roof was replaced in the year 2018. Very neutrally colored. That is your side yard there. That is your backyard as well. There's your sunshade over the lanai area. Let's go back in this home and take a look at the rest of this home. I will go into the kitchen area next. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That looks like a shelf there in the corner of the lanai for a television. Here's your kitchen area. It does have granite countertops. They're beautiful. Luxury vinyl plank floor. Updated stainless appliances. 2-bowl stainless sink. Does have an electric range as well. I will spin around and give you a perspective of what the island looks like. That island does have white cabinets. And it does have what appears to be stainless hardware as well. That closet there, I believe, is the pantry for the kitchen. There is your pantry area, friends. To the other side of the home, we do have the primary bedroom. It is carpeted, acoustic textured ceilings, very neutral paint. The primary bedroom dimensions are 13 feet by 15 feet. Does have a walk-in closet. The primary bathroom does have luxury vinyl plank floors. Let's take a look at that. It has 2 sinks, a solid surface. I believe that is a granite surface. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Here is a linen closet of the primary bedroom. Very deep linen closet right there. Very nice home. Has a commode space with a window. That is your vanity in your primary bathroom. This bathroom does have a frameless shower door with a solid surface surround. This shower is very nice. Very nice. Acoustic textured ceilings. Even has a space for your soap. Let's go back into this home. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of this home. This home is located at 1268 Camero Drive in the Villages, Florida. List price $329,900. Gary Martin is your showing agent. I will leave his contact information. You can contact him with any questions. The bond is paid. There is the rest of your specification sheet. I will turn this specification sheet over to show you the room dimensions. There are your room dimensions. Living room is 15 feet by 16 feet. I will video Gary's information. Gary is the showing agent today. Feel free to contact Gary. He can answer any of your questions. Let's take a walk out into that garage area and the laundry area of this home. Here is your laundry area. It is an indoor laundry, luxury vinyl plank floors. Continue. That is your mechanicals. It does have cabinets. That is where your washer and dryer would be. This is the door leading out into the two-car garage. Let's take a look at what the two-car garage looks like. Concrete floor is in very good condition. The garage door is insulated. That's why you see that silver coating on the garage door. That is your hot water heater over there, friends. This home is very neat. Located in the village of Santo Domingo, in the northern part of the villages. Very nice, very neutral home, very clean. Very deep setback in this home as well. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. You even have lots of coat hangers in this laundry / mudroom area. Here's one last panoramic view of your kitchen. Very high ceilings. Very nice home. List price $329,900. I will walk out into the street. I'll give you one last panoramic view of the street. Here I am standing in the front porch area. This is a very large seating area. You can see what good condition the concrete patio is in. You can see, panning to the left, very deep setback on this home. Very quiet neighborhood. Panning to the right. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. As always, friends, you can contact either the showing agent, Gary Martin, or the listing agent, Jill, at Remax Foxfire Realty if you want more information on this home. I will walk to the street. I will give you one last panoramic view of this street. There you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, wood-framed home located here in the village of Santo Domingo. List price $329,900. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me in the village of Santo Domingo. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home is offered at $329,900. Take care, everyone.